Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the text to speech, voice, language on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, swipe down to open up quick settings panel. In here, tap on the settings icon and then go down and tap on general management. Next, you want to tap on text to speech and here tap on language. In the language list, select a language that you want to change to. Now if the language that you try to use is not available in here, you can tap on the settings icon and then tap on install voice data and go down the list and select the voice data or the language that you want to use. And after that, it will appear in a list which will allow you to select from. And that's it. So select a language that you want to use and then just tap on the back key. You can also tap on the play button.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
To hear an example.
Đây là việc của tiếng nói.
Okay, so you can tap on that to test out the language pack. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings. Or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.